Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your MSI monitor feels too low or too high on your desk, making a proper height adjustment can improve comfort and help create a better viewing position. Many MSI monitor models are equipped with ergonomic stands that allow vertical movement, making it easier to align the screen with your eye level. A correctly positioned monitor can help reduce neck strain and provide a more comfortable experience during work, gaming, or everyday use. The good part is that adjusting the height of an MSI monitor usually takes just a few seconds and doesn't require any tools. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to properly adjust the height of your MSI monitor. Try these. Step 1. Sit in your normal position in front of the MSI monitor. Step 2. Hold the sides of the MSI monitor firmly. Step 3. Support the stand of the MSI monitor while adjusting. Step 4. Move the MSI monitor upward or downward slowly. Step 5. Align the top of the MSI monitor near eye level. Step 6. Confirm the MSI monitor is stable after adjustment.